Level 10, Proficiency. The little engine that could. Once, a long train filled with food and toys for children came to a halt at the foot of a mountain. The engine had broken down, and the toys grew anxious. "The children will be sad if we do not arrive," they cried. They asked several powerful engines for help. One said, "I am too important for such work." Another replied, "I am too weary to try." One by one, the great engines refused. At last, a small blue engine appeared. Though modest and not built for such heavy work, she said gently, "I will try. I think I can." She fastened herself to the train and began the climb. The hill was steep, the load was heavy, and her wheels turned slowly. Yet she kept repeating, "I think I can, I think I can." Her courage grew with each turn of the wheel until she reached the summit. Looking down the other side, she said with triumph, "I knew I could." Thus the little engine taught all who saw her that faith, persistence, and effort can achieve the impossible.